Amerikada 2 minutda ichida $120 pul topishdi. Hozir men sizlarga ko'rsataman. Nice to meet you. May I take a video for my social media?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. How are you, Sydney?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Xullas, bitta do'stlar, bitta doorbell, bitta kamerani yechib berish kerak. Prosta yechib qo'liga berish kerak. Doorbell bu zvonok, eshikdagi zvonok. All right.
Okay, perfect. If you want, although you'll probably need your ladder. That plate that's screwed in up top. Does that make sense?
Okay.
It's just this camera up here. It just needs to be unscrewed.
Ikkinchisi do'stlar, ana shu kamerasini yechish kerak. Mana bo'ldi. 1 minut ham ketmadi shekilli. O'zi drillda yetsam undan ham tez bo'lardi-yu. Mayli unisiga. Samolyotlarim yo'qolmay turadi. Mana ikkinchisi. Tamom do'stlar. 1,5 minut ketdi. 5 minut ketdi deb o'ylaylar, mayli, shoti potilarni olib kirgunimcha. 5 minutda $120. Yaxshi. Ha, barakasini bersin. Hey, Sydney?
Yes.
Well done.
Perfect. Thank you.
Welcome.
When did you come here?
I came just 1.5 years ago.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Where are you from?
I'm from Uzbekistan.
Oh, okay. Do you like the mountains?
Of course.
Yeah. So this is why it's confusing. So this, it's just this.
Okay, no problem. Xullas do'stlar, uchinchisi mana ham qo'shilib qoldi. Bu bonusga yechib beraman pulolmasdan. $30-40 ber desam beradi, lekin unchalik emas-da. Shunday yechib beraman. 2 dona samolyot. Shunaqasi ham bo'lib turadi. 2 ta ishga kelasan, uchinchisi qo'shilib qoladi. Mayli, Xudo boshqa joydan bersin. O'zi yomon gaplashmadi. 2 minutda $120. Yes, easy peasy.
Your English is very good.
Yes, because I work in Dubai before 3 years.
Oh, yeah, okay.
That's why.
Cool. And then that's it.
Anything else,
No,
Sydney?
that's literally it.
Okay, thank you.
This is the easiest job you'll probably ever do. Perfect.
Thank you, you too.
Have a good rest of your day.
You too, Sydney. Bye bye.
you.
See you next new project.
Yes,
Bye bye.
thank you.
Sog' bo'linglar do'stlar. Obuna bo'lib qo'yinglar. Qiziq videolarni kutib olmaslik uchun.